focus on simple words and pictures, vocabulary relating to everyday topics such as school, home, the park, body parts, animals, birds, like this. We can give this activity for the kids. And then also multilingual reading materials we can provide them. Start a collection of books, magazines, leaflets and other reading materials in the languages that the students speak. Add these items to reading corner. We can give these activities for the supporting to learn a language, new language.
Yes, initiating learning English is the priority, but helping them to learn English is the support of the child's language. So that is how we are. So gradually the child must strengthen its own language, but fade away in the classroom transaction. So that is the thing. Summary of prose and poetry, we did. I did learn this one. This part was wonderful one when it was shared in the online meeting. It was really good. I really loved this one. Instead of translating every line by line and giving the child nothing. Translating line by line child may comprehend nothing. Translation method may. But when a gist or when a summary is given about that particular poetry or a prose, then it may be meaningful. And then reading, comprehensive reading will be done. Okay, so this much could be done